my channel Mishti Saver Gracias. So today we are going to learn Raksha Bandhan activity part 2. In this we are going to learn how to make explosion box and chocolate mousse trifle. So let's get started. So let's start making the explosion box. The things we require are a scissor, Fevicol, pencil, ruler, 21 by 21 centimeter square, 11.5 by 11.5 centimeter square and 6.5 by 6.5 few sheets of square. Let us start with a 21 by 21 centimeter square. Mark 7 centimeter on all the sides. So guys, you can see I have marked all the corners with 7 centimeter line on each pointed mark. So guys, you can see I have put a line on all the points. Now let's move on to our next step. Now let's make a triangle on all the sides. See, like this. Now cut all the triangles, one triangle from each side. So guys, you can see that I have cut triangle from each side. Now stick this pink on each 5 squares. Let's do the same over here in the other 4 squares as well. You can see I'm sticking. You can use any color of your choice. Now let's stick this both triangles together. So guys, you can see I've sticked it. Can you see these pockets? Kind of creativity in my explosion box. I have left this space because we have to do something more special in that. So let us move on to our next step. Guys, I have a matchbox. I will place it and then I will cover it with paper. So guys, you can see that I have covered the matchbox with paper. Now let's apply glue over here and then stick it here. See how beautiful it looks? So I have an Oreo biscuit. I will wrap this in the foil. And then I will keep it inside this pocket. Keep our handmade rakhi which we had made yesterday above this. Now let's make the lid for the explosion box. Take 2 cm in all the corners. you can see I have made 2 centimeter lines, and I have cut all the 2 centimeter lines from here like this, as you can see, so that we can stick this together for making the lid. So guys, you can see that I have made the lid. Now let us close our explosion box. This our explosion box. Guys, as you can see that our explosion box is ready. I have a flower. I'm going to stick it on the explosion box. See how beautiful it looks. Don't you think my brother will love this? Now let us start making chocolate mousse trifle.
Oh wow, you're making chocolate mousse trifle?
Yeah,
Can you show me what the ingredients are?
the ingredients are crushed Oreos, whipped cream with chocolate ganache, whipped cream and chocolate ganache,
What is this called?
chocolate mousse.
Wow, this looks good.
So let us start making chocolate mousse trifle for my brother.
So you will be making only for your brother?
No, Mama, I will be making for you also.
Thank you. Can I add this crushed Oreos? Thank you.
So guys, you can see that I have put the whipped cream over here. Now let us add my favorite ganache.
You want to drizzle some ganache?
Yes,
Is this for your brother or for me?
for you as well as my brother, as well as my father, and as well as for me. Some more. Now for the final touch.
No, I
Let
can't
us-
eat myself.
Now let us add Oreo. Now it's ready. So guys, our Raksha Bandhan hamper is ready. I'm feeling so excited for my brothers in Jogeshwari as well as in Thane. Guys, I have made this Raksha Bandhan hamper using things already available in home. So please do try this hamper. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video and hit the bell icon. And happy Raksha Bandhan!